Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Ragini Somtankar, the Director of English Learning Academy. In last few session, I have told you about some grammar part. Then we have started about the advanced level soft skills and communication skills also. Now in this session, I am going to tell you something about the goal setting. What are the techniques that you can able to set your goals? Yes, this is very important topic, and this is not for the students only. This is not for the college going students only. This is for each and every people, each and every person, each and every age group people. So before to start my session, I just want to tell you something that from the basic to advanced level, each and every video I am going to tell you something more, which is helpful for the professionals also, which is helpful for the business minded persons also, and which is very helpful for the students also, college going students also, or job aspirants also. So please do subscribe my channel if you want to know more about the professional levels English, and if you like my videos, don't forget to click on the like buttons. And if you want to know more about my online sessions, I am conducting the online sessions also, which is one-to-one sessions I am going to take. In that sessions, I am telling you each and every technique and each and every exercises related to the concerned topics. And if you want to know more, just call on 7741995544. So let's start about the goal setting. What is the goal setting? This is very important that you have to set your goals. Don't forget, my dear viewers, my dear candidates, my dear students, and all person who are just watching this video, that successful persons, they are not doing different things. They are things differently. So how the way you are setting your goals, it is all about that only. Your success is depend on that only, that how you can create the strategy, how you can fix the strategy, how you can write down some strategies, and how the way you are implementing on that. It is all about that. Before to start, before to tell you that three techniques which is very helpful and which will be helpful in your future life also, before to tell you that, I would like to explain some things, that what is actually today's market. You people are thinking that why goal setting is important. Many of engineering students, many of job aspirants who have completed their graduation, they are also asking me that ma'am, we are not having our any goal, we have not set any goal, so why it is necessary? According to the situation we are just behaving, according to the situation we are just taking the decisions. Yes, that is true, but you should have a fixed goal. And why it is necessary, just I'm telling you. See, you can see on the board there is a big circle and this is the small circle. So this is the big circle, means actual market, and this is the small circle, means where you are now. In this circle right now you are, and you are just studying, you are taking your means you are completing your qualification. In this circle you are safe, and where you have your friends, you are having your family, your relatives, your means neighbors, some person who are known to you, and your teachers, means the people who are known to you or who are always familiar to you. In those peoples, or you are surrounded with those people, this is where you are right now. This is the small circle where you are very secured and in a very safe zone, where each and every person is familiar to you. You don't have any problem, whatever you are behaving like if you are angry, then also each and every person will be accepted you. They don't have any problem. And why? Because they are just for you. They are your family members, your friends, your neighbors, your relatives. You're so much close in your society. So this is very easy to live here. This is very easy to sustain here. But the problem is what? Whenever you are entering after your graduation, post graduation, in this big circle, this is actual market. This is the real world where you will have to create your own image. And And in this big world, in this big circle, there is no one who is near to you and close to you. Everyone is very professional. Everybody is very professional. No one is your family member, no one is your friends, no one is your teacher, no one is your neighbor, and no one is your relatives. So you will have to sustain here, you will have to create your own image, you will have to survive here. And if you want to survive here, then you should have the perfect knowledge about everything. Means from the theoretical point of view also and from the practical point of view also. You should have the complete knowledge. You are the perfect. See, my dear friends, my dear students, this is in this big circle, only one rule is applicable. Don't forget about it, that perform or perish. This is the rule of this big circle. If you want to sustain here, if you want to survive here, if you want to create your own image, own identity, then perform or perish. This is only rule which is very important here, which is applicable in this big circle. And so your all efforts, your all hard work only for the basis to enter in this, not only to enter in this big circle, but to survive there. You will have to survive there. Many of candidates, many of people who are getting the job in this big circle, but they cannot able to survive. They cannot able to sustain there. And why they are not able to sustain there? Because there are something lacking within them. They are not able to perform in a well manner. There are something insufficient or inadequate knowledge they have, and because of that inadequation, they again throw back to their small world, small circle. So our journey, you should have to start your journey, your destination only to enter to the real market, to the big circle, and to survive there and to sustain there. This is what your ambition should be. This is what your goal should be. Now, if you want to stay here, if you want to create your own image, then there are 3 techniques I would like to tell you, that how you can set your goals. See, this is very important that you will have to set your goals. Why? Because just if you want to accomplish anything, if you want to achieve something, then this statement is very important about that. If you have set your goals and you are not implementing, then your dreams and your achievements, whatever you want to achieve something, that can be just a wish, that can remain just as a wish. So if you have the goals, do some implementation on it. You will have to fix the priorities also, and according to that, you will have to just run accordingly. See, the first one is about the set goals. Now, how the way you can set your goals, what you want to achieve in your life, that is the important part. I'm not talking about the short-term goals. I'm talking about the long-term goals. After 5 years, where you are, you can see yourself in what position, at what position, or in at which office, or at which which kind of market. Where you are watching yourself after the 5 years, that matter a lot. I'm not going to tell you that what you will do in this year and or the next year. No, I'm talking about the long-term goals. You will have to set your goals in a short-term goals and long-term goals. In a short-term goals, what you can do in this year, how the way you can achieve, if you want to achieve the big goal, then how you can start the implementation, how you can start the small things, small knowledge from that particular subject. So these kind of things we can consider as a short goal. But as far as the long term goal is concerned, you will have to fix the priority. You will have to just write it down on the paper only. See, many of scientists, many of big people, many of successful persons, they are always writing on the paper what they want to do or what they want to achieve in their future. So you should always take a pen and paper and just write down some short term goals and long term goals, and just set your goals, that what you want to achieve in your life. When you have set your goals, then just start the planning on it. Because if you plan according to the goals, then you can able to start the implementation also. If you can write down on the page, on the card sheet paper, and just paste it on your in your bedroom also, on any wall, and just look at that wall, look at every time that page where you have written your goals, that what you want to achieve in your life. Then definitely it will remembering you so many times that how the way you can achieve your goals, and that is what your plan. So do planning every day. You should have to plan something every day. You should have to take a small steps ahead for your towards your big circle. So this is also, this circles also you can draw on the card sheet paper, and you can paste on the wall. It will also helpful to you, helpful for you to remind or to remember always that where you have to go in your life and where you are right now. Then first one is about you have to set your goal, then you have to plan according to it, and action. Yes, this is the most important and the very essential part in this 3 techniques. Action. My mom is always telling to me that your action should be louder than your words. Yes, this is absolutely correct, and I'm also following this sentence, that if you want to achieve something, don't just means uttering the word, don't just express the words. Your action is matter a lot. If you are not having any actions, then you cannot reach to your goals, you cannot reach to your destination. So my dear viewers, I would like to tell you that these 3 techniques are very important, that you will have to set your goals, then make a plan according to your goals, and action. Just do your actions every day. If you have decided that in this quarantine time you will have to improve your English, then don't wait and watch. Just start to improve your English. As I told you that you can subscribe my channel also, you can start the online sessions also. On just give me a call, inbox me on this YouTube channel, and you can inquire a lot of things also. So start your implementation, start your goal setting, action plan from today only. In the next session, I'm going to tell you about something more which is related to your professional life, which is related to you how to become a professionally good speaker and good communicator. So stay tuned. Just go through this technique, these action plans, and take care. Thank you. Bye.